Blackstone Street for 9. We're at Foam Wash. We're gonna get the top wash, Dad. Right. We're going to the soft touch. The soft touch bay because soft touch automatic. Bay, this bay right there. Ready? It's hard to see the. Oh, I can see it. The $20 wash. Let's get ready. I gotta get some. Let me see this. Press the $20. Press. You want that? You want it? Oh yeah, there you go. Get this. Press done. Ready? Oh, here we go. Thank you for purchase. Oh, ready to go. It's a Ryko Soft Gloss Max 5. Right, Dad? Ready? Roll up. Ready? Roll up your window and ready. Here, drive forward. And it's a Ryko Soft Gloss Max 5. Oh, yeah. Ready? Stop. Let the wash begin. We're starting up with Tri-Foam. Yeah, we're going. We're starting up with our brushes. Here comes the top brush. maybe we're gonna. I think we're starting with rinse. Here comes the hot wax. It's showing right there. Look, the yellow version of Color Wave, I'm guessing. I think we're gonna. I think we're starting Rain-X. I think it's Rain-X. Sure. Here comes the top brush is spinning. Here comes our rinse. Here comes the rinse. All right. Drive forward. Our doors are opening. Here we go. Reach up, rinse. The other base, the same thing. Here we go. Drive forward. Stop. Here come the dryers. They're moving dryers. Wow. I'm ready, and we're ready. Oh, ready to go. Drive forward, exit slowly, and here comes tire shine right there, as you can see. Tire shine, exit slowly, and that's the wash. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.